Hi and welcome to another Haworth Bears YouTube channel video vlog. Today we find ourselves at the Big Blue Hotel in Blackpool. We've also been to the zoo and we'll be going to the circus tomorrow at the Blackpool Tower. So hopefully I'll be able to do some vlogging in there, but who knows. Okay, this is Big Blue room 103 accessible stroke family room. So going through the door, this is the kiddies room, and they've got PlayStations, televisions. Currently it's our walk-in wardrobe, and then
it's got cold in the room. We've just this minute come in, and that's why I still got my coat on. I'm going to take it off. Just to let you know that.
what is this thing?
It's a where you can store
Open cupboard?
It's an open cupboard where you can store
Yeah.
anything.
And then an ironing board.
Good
Very
iron.
good
Excellent
iron. Oh, and you got DVD player, big television, telephone, and you have that's the only socket in the room, but it does have two USB ports, tea and coffee and biscuits, and me and cards, and this is the bathroom. So we've also got a toilet raiser because they're not the easiest. Obviously you've got the handrails, but they're a bit low down. Why? A shower thing, and well, shower seat I think, and yeah. Oh, an emergency pulley cordy thing. So is it different? Oh, these are hot towel rail thing. Oh, and a hairdryer. So I'll put a link. Well, I'll list basically what we paid for the room, because it was done via Travel Zoo, and I'll put all the costs and stuff at the end of the video. So there you go. That's what was it? Our second visit to the Big Blue Hotel, and yeah, it was good. We enjoyed it. We liked it. Oh, apart from the carpet seems to be lifting up. Yeah. So there you go. Bye. This is the view from our room. That's the big one and the Big Dipper, and some plane thing over there. And then in the morning, the I don't know, maintenance crew come in and out of there. That's good, isn't it? There you go. And we just had a wonderful meal. Well, I'll put the pictures and everything in later on, so that yeah. So today I'm 61, old. There's Michael. So we were going to go out, but we decided not to. So anyway. Well, the maitre d' is just from the restaurant has given us non-alcoholic drinks. Cocktails. Don't know what it's like, but there we go. So there's that and a shot of something. So yeah, non-alcoholic. Very good. So I don't know what this is, but ooh. That's really nice. I like it. And then, you know what this is? Ooh, lovely. So this is the breakfast that's on offer at the Big Blue. It's just basically down this area here, and we've got a seating area over here. So juices, teas, coffees, where you make your toast. Same again, nothing here. Jams and stuff like that here. Cornflakes. Just basically fresh fruit. And then this is your cooked meals. And then croissants, and that's basically it. And just across there is the bar. So we're at Michael's. That's just quick. And so this is the bits that you can get. So I need to go to the car now, and I need to get stuff. It's very quiet in here. And the weather in Blackpool's turned, so I thought I'd give you let you have a look. So to be quite honest, not much has changed within the Big Blue. It's still the same, still like it, so is what it is. So anyway, oh, disabled parking, £10 a night. Yeah, if you book it direct to the hotel. But we got the special deal with Travel, so I'll list the prices and stuff at the end of the video, so you know how much we paid. Anyway, bye.